Hey guys, in this tutorial video I'm going to teach you how you can block users and team members on Slack really quickly. So let us get started. Head over to Slack, log into your account and head over to your workspace, and what you want to do guys is take a look at that list of direct messages and chats you have had with your team members to the left. So if you'd like to mute or to block one of your team members, all you need to do guys is right click on the given user and select hide the given user, or mute the conversation with the given user. As you can see, there's no option featured here on Slack to block the given user right away. However, guys, you can go a bit more in depth and click on view conversation details here. And from here, simply decide whether you would like to mute the given user. In this case here, the given user will be placed at the bottom of your list of chats here on the left hand side, and messages you receive from that user will be labeled or given a red badge. Alternatively, guys, you may hide the given user, of course, so that he or she disappears from your list. However, that will not prevent the given user to send you messages in the future. So it's not like blocking straight away. Now, guys, if that's a real serious or severe case of a team member and you would really like to get rid of him or her from your workspace, you can also consider the following. You may click, for example, on view full profile here on the given user profile, and after that click on these three dots here on the very right hand side and simply decide to report the given user to Slack if the given user has, for example, violated any policies or guidelines. And that's basically it, guys. That's the three options you have instead of blocking someone straight away on Slack. I hope you found this video helpful anyway. Thanks for watching and see you next time.